Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna turn off our device by holding power button and volume up. Try that again. There we go. And you wanna swipe down to power it off. And when the device turns off, you wanna hold the power button and volume down at the same time. When you see recovery mode at the bottom right here, you can let go of those two keys and wait for the language selection to show up. And here, select your desired language by simply tapping on it. Then you want to select Format Data. It will present you with a code. This will be randomly generated every single time. For me right now it's 6282. Once you type it in, whatever the code it is showing for you, you'll then have the option to erase all data. So select Format. And this will now begin the process. Now, I'll also mention this will allow you to remove screen locks if you have ones that you don't know. And this will not change in terms of the code. Even though you have some kind of screen lock like PIN pattern password, it will always ask you for this randomly generated code as a verification that you want to actually reset your device, not as a verification to the screen lock that you had set. Anyway, this will now take about like a couple minutes to finish up, and once the reset is finished, we'll be presented with the setup screen once more. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.